Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure without using a meter and only with your iPhone or iPad. Let's start. First, open Measure application. Then, mark your first target. For example, I want to measure the space above the heater. As you can see, it's 1.28 meter. Let me measure something else. If you want, you can take a screenshot to see your measure later. Then go to Measurement. You can copy your data here. After that, go to Notes. Please tap on a screen. Then select Paste. Well done. Now you can have your data in Notes application. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know.